What up, world? What up, world? It's your girl Camaro Key, back with another video. Tell my subscribers I appreciate the love. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that bell so you know when I'm dropping another video. Well, the Chevelle interior kit is now in. It cleaned up very nice. Very nice. When you want something back OG, factory can go get you a kit and it'll look like this. Unfortunately, there would not be a tag because we didn't sew these. We just put them together. But it looks pretty good. Real clean. Real clean. Mr. Libby can get the green monster back. Nice and clean. Very quick job. Throw the doors on there. Seats in. Carpet down. Back deck done. He ready to go. He is ready. Get the seat belts installed. Just like that. We love these bills. In and out. Time to go. Make room for some more. That's about that on that, yo. It's your girl Camaro Key. I'll be back in 3.